It's Sonny the Misty Puppy, and I'm going to be showing you the tricks my dog knows. So yeah, I just was watching Alex's home run. So ready? Okay. The first trick is going to be to lay down. Ready, Braylee? Down. Good girl. It's going to be to sit. Come here, Braylee. Sit. Good girl. The next trick is going to be to high five. High five. Good girl. It's going to be a stay. Stay. Good girl, come. Okay, this is going to be one of her newest tricks. Braylee, speak. Speak. Good girl. This trick is going to be another newest one. Jump. Ready, Braylee? Wait, sit, jump. Good girl. Watching all the tricks that my dog knows. I'm trying to teach her more. I'm pretty sure that's all of them. So yeah. So Braylee, come here. Here, Braylee. Say goodbye. Sit. Say goodbye. 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 Good.